Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is Jasmine here, and it's been a while. I've not posted a video in like 2 months, which is absolutely crazy, and I apologize very much so. To be fair, we are still in a pandemic, and I have not been doing much at all that has changed since my last video. Still hanging out with my boyfriend and our dog, still hanging out with Emilia, still eating, and yeah, like how many times can I film that? So I have not picked up the camera in a while, and I apologize, but I'm going to be holding myself a lot more accountable, and I'm going to be picking up the camera more. I did try to vlog actually last week. Dan and I went to this cute little county called Prince Edward County here in Canada. It's like a wine town. They have like tons of vineyards you can go to and do like wine tasting and stuff. I brought my camera with me. I picked up the camera. I tried to vlog, but once you do a couple wine tastings, it kind of hits you, and I was like, you know what? I'm not going to risk it. I'm not going to keep bringing out my camera. I'm a little bit, you know, tipsy. It just wasn't worth the risk, and I stopped vlogging. I wish I had, because it was such a beautiful town, but I will insert a couple of clips of what we did and what it looked like so you guys can kind of see and get an idea. But today I'm going to be heading to Emilia's place. I'm going to be her lash technician today. I'm going to be giving her a lash tint as well as a lift. We are collaborating with this really cute at-home lash company called MICROLASH, and they let you bring kits home and do your lashes, and this was perfect for quarantine. I have lash extensions, as you guys know, but before everything, Emilia would get lash lifts and tints, so we thought it was really cute for us to do together and have a little cute best friend bonding session. So that is what we're going to be doing today. I gotta go, as always. So I will bring you guys along with me today, and I hope you guys enjoy.
Lift and tint on my lashes because I haven't since February because of this whole quarantine situation.
So let's see. Oh, cute! MicroLash, Emilia, and Jasmine.
Cute.
It's really cute.
Oh my god, wow.
We'll read through this after.
Just a cute little bag.
What else is in the box? Beautiful purple tissue paper.
Cute.
This is a really cute presentation. So right now I'm going to watch the at-home like online training course because I need to know what I'm doing for your face.
Yeah. Please pay attention.
I will. Look how good this looks. I got a gyro, some calamari, and spanakopita. I'm like, I don't even know if I know it. Like, I don't even know how to say it. My boyfriend's Greek. And then Mills got a gyro. Is it a gyro plate? What did you get?
It's chicken souvlaki.
Yeah, and a salad. Oh, looks so good. She's ready to go to the dentist.
Literally. It's like actual dentist sheets.
Okay.
Oh god, are we doing it?
Yeah, put this mask on, because if you lay down and smell my breath, then...
Yeah.
How did you open this?
With my nails. I literally look like a dental hygienist right now.
Hygienist? Hygienist.
Hygienist?
Yeah.
Really?
Dental hygienist.
I say, well, you don't say hygiene, you say hygiene.
I know, but the word is dental hygienist.
Oh. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's right. Cute. Oh.
You ready for this? You want to do a good job? Okay. These are Emilia's lashes before. Okay, close your eyes. Pretty. Okay, you ready to see?
Yeah. I've been lying down for so long.
Okay, you ready?
I'm scared.
Okay. You're gonna turn it around and see yourself.
I'm scared. Oh, they look good.
Do they?
Yeah. Yeah, they look good.
Do they look lifted?
Yeah, they do.
Dope. This is Emilia's after. Okay, so I just finished Mills' lashes. Do you like them?
I do. They look so much better than they did before.
And she didn't go blind. So that's also a plus.
That was their main concern.
No, literally. I was like sweating the whole time. So it was really easy.
Good.
If you guys want to do it, I will put a discount code below and you guys can get, I believe it's 15% off. It's really, really easy. It's cute. Now we have these collagen lip mask. Oh my god!
Oh, shit. Sorry.
These collagen lip masks that we are going to put on. Honestly, I'm a little, I don't know if I'm gonna put it on because this is plump. And I already have gorgeous plump lips.
Well,
I do!
Say they're gonna make them gorgeous.
It says apply to clean, dry lips for 15-20 minutes to hydrate, nourish, and plump.
But you want hydration and nourishment, right?
Yeah.
I doubt that just one application is gonna significantly grow your lips.
We'll do them. So we're gonna be silent for the next 20 minutes.
Do you want to watch Atlanta?
Oh, yeah. We'll watch Real Housewives of Atlanta while we do this.
At Owen.
to have this house in tip-top shape for when he gets back. I don't need yoga.
You need it. You need it. You plug your phone first.
All we're doing is coming from one side to the other.
Blurring out so you can have access in some areas.
Hi, baby. Oh, do you want to say hi to the vlog?
Maybe show your house.
Everyone say hi to Dan.
I must only get things out to you. I did not pop them upside the head. In order to get your mortician certification, you have to involve at least 10 bodies. And I cannot wait for body.
I think this area is locked.
Well, you should.
Yes, ma'am. I mean, for the day, just to slowly prepare. Okay. So,
Why do we need this on?
well, because of the fumes from, and then as well, I'm going to give you a pair of gloves.
Hi friends, we're back and it's now midnight.
Making quesadillas.
Many episodes of reality TV next, or what? Many episodes of reality TV and glasses of rosé, and now we're making quesadillas because we're hungry and I didn't want to go home and I didn't want to spend more money. So we're gonna make some, oh, it's like Kraft cheese. It's not even like real cheese.
That's all I have right now, but it's still good.
I don't know how I don't know how I feel about that.
I'm marrying the most gorgeous man on the planet. I will have
It's gonna be good, I promise.
She promises. You guys, to be honest, I was skeptical of this Kraft sliced cheese quesadilla. But honestly, it's kind of fire.
Thank you!
Okay, so I think we're gonna wrap it up now. We're gonna eat our quesadillas, watch reality TV, and talk about our boyfriends. We love you. The usual. We love you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
At least you shut up this time and try and dress it.